Alrighty, so this is my database for the cloud database. It's a puppies database. It keeps track of the puppies connected to breeds, their kennel, puppies tricks that they have. And this is kind of modeled after a database I have in MySQL. Anyways, moving along. So we have a breed table. This one has a specific breed queried out, but that one's not as important. And then here's the regular breed table. I only have this one open because it's the main one I show throughout the program. So opening up my MongoDB Python connection program, you can see here that it's connected to the client through a link. You have to have the password for the link. The password is password, so you're already connected. This is connecting it to the breed collection. I could connect it to any other collection. I just have to change this to whatever the table name is. To insert it into the breed table, I have to connect it to the same thing I connected it right here. And I have to put insert many if I'm inputting many values. And then I have the breed table ID, and then a breed. That is exactly how it also is right here. You can see breed table ID and the breed. The ID is filled out automatically. And then next it's gonna have finding one of the breed, and it's gonna print the one that it finds. Show that in a minute. And then I put the inputs to break it up so it doesn't do it all at once. This one's gonna update it. So it's gonna make the one breed that was a Yorkie change into a dog. And then this one's gonna delete it and it's gonna create a new table. It's a database. So instead, how up here it was only specific on one table of the database, this one's doing creating a database and it's creating a new table. It's going to be called owners. So jumping right into that, I can run it and you'll see that it appears right down here. All right, so now it's connected to the Mongo database. Now if I go back and I go and look, let's see, the only thing that should have happened so far was that connected to the database, connected. All right, and then it's going to change Irish Wolfhound and it's going to add in a Yorkie as well. And then it's finding the breed and printing it. So we haven't found the breed and printed it. Breed table ID 5, breed Bulldog. So that's what the ID under number 5 is, which means that this 5 that I put, there's actually 2 of them. And if I were to change this to find many, it would find the other one as well. So it would tell me both of which. But for now, we'll just keep it as find one. So that found the bulldog, which is in our table. So if we go back down here, you can go look and yep, right there, breed table, bulldog. All right, and then we also ran it. So if we refresh this one isn't up to date since it's also running on a live server. You can see we have ID 5, Irish Wolfhound, D6, the Yorkie, just like we have in the program. And then we just head through this section. It should have taken us from that input to that input, so now it should be updated. To refresh it. Maybe I'm thinking of the wrong one. There it is. Okay, so it's running through the entire program. So now if I go back, should be able to refresh it. As you can see, the Yorkie, let's search. There it is. Number 6 has been changed to dog. And again, because there was multiple entries of it, oh, it goes up to 8. The Yorkie itself was not edited. It was the 6. So you gotta be careful when editing your data that you don't replace something that already was edited. And then the last thing it did was it added to the collection owners. So now if we go in here, should be able to refresh it somehow. Right there, owners. Now we have a new table called owners. I haven't put any data in it yet, but that's the next step. So that's how my program runs. I have a little README describing it right here, the steps to run it, steps to making it. You know, it's very important to have these two things installed because that's what's going to be able to run Mongo on Python and going to be able to connect your Mongo Python to your Mongo database through this link. See, using that. Yep, that's my program.